It's no secret that most pets love car rides, but keeping them and their excitement contained can be a challenge during the drive. WeatherTech's Pet Barrier secures your furry friends in the rear of your vehicle so you can focus on the road ahead. Let's take a closer look. Pet Barrier is an adjustable, heavy-duty barrier that keeps pets comfortably contained in the cargo area of your minivan or SUV. By preventing pets from leaping over the second or third row seats, this barrier limits dangerous distractions caused by pets moving freely around the vehicle. This expandable barrier was built to last using durable yet lightweight materials to improve ease of installation and removal. It features horizontal bars made of strong aluminum and easy-to-turn knobs that lock the barrier into position. Plus, the flexible support feet eliminate rattling and create a snug fit. Pet Barrier is quick and simple to install and adjust. The height and width of the barrier expands easily to fit your vehicle perfectly. Enjoy safer car rides by keeping your pets comfortable and secure with WeatherTech's Pet Barrier.